In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear Chrome cookies in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and useful way to fix website loading issues, sign out problems, or to remove stored site data from your browser. If you use Chrome every day, knowing how to clear cookies can help improve privacy and keep your browser running more smoothly. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of your browser settings. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left side and find Privacy and Security. Click on that option to open your browsing privacy controls. Inside this section, you'll see several tools related to your browsing history, cookies, and site permissions. Now click Clear Browsing Data. This will open a new window with options for removing stored browser information. In the window that appears, make sure you select cookies and other site data. You can also choose a time range depending on what you want to remove, such as the last hour, the last 24 hours, or all time if you want to clear everything. If you only want to remove cookies, focus on that option and leave the other boxes unchecked unless you also want to clear additional browsing data. Once you've selected the right option, click Clear Data. Chrome will now remove the cookies and site data based on the settings you chose. After that, many websites may sign you out, and some site preferences may reset, which is completely normal when cookies are cleared. That's it. You've successfully cleared Chrome cookies. This is a simple but powerful step if you're trying to troubleshoot browser issues, refresh login sessions, or just clean up your browser data. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.